I've got a Whirlpool washer and dryer. It's a nice big super capacity on there. I've got a really heavy load of jeans and towels going. It's in the wash cycle right now. So far so good. It's got a brand new agitation system on it, so it's agitating very strong, and that of course is how your clothes actually get clean. But I just wanted you to be able to hear the system, see that it works, and of course on that final spin, see that it's nice and smooth and it didn't get off balance or make any weird noises or anything like that. So I'm going to let it finish up here. You can see obviously the lid switch works too, so but we'll come back to it on the spin cycle and then we'll show you the dryer. Okay, and we are back here on the final spin cycle. As you can see and hear, sounds great. It's spinning nice and fast. Perfectly balanced. Nice smooth operation. See, it's spinning super fast. So we'll go ahead and let that finish up. I'll get the clothes moved over to the dryer and let you get a listen to that, and I'll show you that it is heating properly. Okay, so we got the dryer, nice huge capacity on that. And then these clothes here, we'll go ahead and pull these out and show you that they're nice and light, which they are. There's no excess water in them whatsoever. Nice heavy towel here, and it's nice and light, no excess water. So it did an excellent job spinning the water out of those clothes. Give me a sec, we'll move them over to the dryer. Alright, so I got that cleaned and cleared out. That's in excellent shape. Got this guy just put on time dry. We'll do high heat, signals on. And I got my heat gun here just to show you that it is in fact heating, so we'll point that inside in just a sec, but I just wanted you to hear it. See that it's nice, smooth, balanced, no knocking noises or anything like that that you'd want to check for. Okay, so I'll show you. We'll open this up and point it right in there. You can actually see it's kind of red in there. Heat's coming up through that tube inside the dryer. So there's plenty of heat there. And the temperature ranges inside anywhere from 100 to 195 once these clothes heat up. Just kind of depends on where you have this set in case you want it on a delicate for, you know, some sheets or something like that. Otherwise, it's good to go. We're going to do a little touch up on it and then go ahead and get them listed for sale. So if you have any questions on them at all, please reach out and I'd be glad to answer any questions. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.